Hey you guys, thanks for joining us today on our happy hour. I'm super excited that you guys could all join us today. I got a fun cocktail put together for you, and well, before we jump into that, hit that like, hit the subscribe, share the channel, all the good stuff with your friends, family, people that love cocktails in general. Love sharing the love, you know what I mean? So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful weekend. And if you can hear me and you can see me, make sure you put that in the comments there. You can hear me and see me. That'd be great. And then we'll just jump right into this, okay? But while you guys are typing that out, let me tell you a little bit about this cocktail. If you've ever had a Arnold Palmer, which is a sweet tea mixed with a lemonade, okay? People will call this a spiked Arnold Palmer, or they will call it a John Daly, okay? And if you know anything about John Daly, very loud, so just kind of over the top, so it's very appropriately named. Both golfers, you know, Arnold Palmer and John Daly. And what brings me to this cocktail today is I've been playing some golf with my brother, and after our round, we are having John Daly's at the clubhouse. So tomorrow, I'm going to be going to play golf with my brother, and I can expect we're going to be having John Daly's after our round. So I wanted to share that with you. It is an incredibly simple drink to make. All you need is some tea. I like sweet tea, some lemonade, okay, and vodka. That's it, okay? So this is perfect for putting together on the go. Super easy. Heck, you could probably go to the store, grab a tea, grab a lemonade, go home, grab some vodka, mix it all together, and voila, you're gonna be good to go, okay? So it's pretty simple as far as that goes. We'll go ahead and grab our large beaker, I guess you could say, and we're gonna stir this all in there before we toss it into our glass here. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with the tea, okay? And we're gonna do 2 ounces of the tea. There we are. Perfect. We're gonna do 2 ounces of lemonade. This is almost a equal parts drink, which, you know what, if you like vodka that much, make it an equal part drink. 2 ounces of vodka, 2 ounces of lemonade, 2 ounces of tea, and you're good to go, okay? But sticking to the recipe, it's 1.5 ounces of vodka. And we got the biggest bottle of vodka that we could possibly find. Now that this is a little empty, it's much easier to pour, that's for sure. Because I swear, when this thing was full, oh my God. Felt like it was gonna break the neck on this thing at any moment. All right, there we go. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna add in some ice, stir this baby up. Give it a nice little stir for about 5-10 seconds there. Or, I'm sorry, 10 to 15 seconds. There we are. Perfect. A little bit more, why not? Like I said, 10 to 15 seconds. Awesome, perfect. All right, so from here, if you can pour it in with the ice. But I'm gonna play this one a little bit safe. I'm gonna toss in the ice now. And then I'm gonna just take this. Now you can strain it. Thanks for bringing over the strainer bit. Or you can just hold your spoon over the end of that and just kind of block that ice from popping out.
Oh, nice job.
Perfect. Awesome. And you could garnish this a few different ways. I've seen some places put mint in there and things like that. most of the time now with COVID going on, you're gonna be at the clubhouse and they're gonna hand this to you pretty much exactly like this in a plastic cup with a straw and say, here you are, sir, now get away from me and go back out there and play some golf. We're social distancing. That's pretty much what happens. Oh yeah, this is it. This is perfect. After 18 holes of golf, relaxing, thinking about all the golf balls that you've lost. What are you laughing about back there? Dana. Dana's laughing at me. I swear, these golf balls are crazy expensive too. It's like $20 a sleeve. $6 or something a golf ball.
That's a lot.
Just get a bad slice and off it goes. There's millions of dollars worth of golf balls in those trees, I'm sure. Oh, but I'm telling you guys, if you have some tea, a couple tea bags around the house, make up some nice tea, add in some sugar, nice little sweet tea. The lemonade, we actually just made this out of lemon juice. So you don't have to squeeze your own lemonade or anything like that. We actually just got lemon juice from the concentrate, same lemon juice that you see us use for our other cocktails. And we did, let's see here, we did it's an equal part of sugar to lemon juice, okay? And then we did water to dilute that, and basically it ended up being a 1/3 cup lemon juice, a 1/3 cup of sugar, and a 1/2 quart, so that's gonna be 2 cups of water. Yeah, that's all it was. So we just needed to make a little bit for this cocktail here, but lemonade, super duper easy. Vodka, even easier. You just go to the store and buy it. You don't even have to do anything to make that, But I would love for you guys to try this. Also, put in the comments after a fun sporting event or anything like that, what is your go-to cocktail that you like to share with your friends? The John Daly is definitely ours after we hit some golf balls down range. But I want to definitely hear from you guys. What's your cocktail of choice after a fun activity? Okay. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for joining us today again on Happy Hour. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and comment something awesome, and share the channel, share the love with your friends and family. Make sure that they know at 3:30 Pacific Standard Time every Sunday, you're going to learn a cocktail, you're going to have a good time, and it's going to be simple and fun for you, okay? So anyways, we will see you next week, 3:30, same spot, same time, bang, bang. It's going to be good stuff. We do have a little something special going on since we have Halloween, and it's going to be a kind of a heartfelt cocktail for me, okay? So anyways, you guys, thank you so much. Cheers, okay? And you guys have a good rest of your weekend. Bye.